ready to take control of your crypto and move it offline for ultimate security. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your cryptocurrency from Kraken to a cold storage wallet, ensuring your digital assets are safe and sound. First, log into your Kraken account. Make sure you have 2FA enabled for enhanced security. Next, navigate to the transfer button, usually found in the top navigation bar or within your account settings. Click on the withdraw option to initiate the withdrawal process. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. In our case, let's say it's Bitcoin. Choose the correct withdrawal method. Usually, the native blockchain of the coin you're withdrawing is the best option. This will say something like Bitcoin or Ethereum followed by the network like ERC20. This is the crucial part. Carefully copy and paste your cold wallet's receiving address into the designated field. Triple check every character to avoid any errors. A mistake here can result in permanent loss of funds. Kraken will display the transaction fees associated with the withdrawal. Be sure to factor this into the amount you are withdrawing, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review all the withdrawal details one last time. Ensure the address, amount, and network are all correct, then confirm the transaction. You might need to enter your 2FA code to authorize the withdrawal. After confirming, Kraken will process the withdrawal. You can track the transaction's progress on a blockchain explorer using the transaction ID provided by Kraken. The time it takes to confirm depends on the network congestion. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your crypto from Kraken to your cold wallet. Remember, storing your crypto offline significantly reduces the risk of online threats. Store that wallet somewhere safe.